Well, what we have here is a front axle. Somebody's let the spring bushings wear out, and it's dropped down and rubbed notches in the axle on both sides. So we're gonna weld those up, and we'll dress them back down. So, and also this axle has a little twist in it, and we're gonna get the twist out of it. So hope you enjoy watching this. Okay, we got it all welded up and dressed down. I'm gonna take a needle scaler and go over that weld a little bit, and that'll put a texture on the axle so it'll look about like it did to start with.